beauty people, how are you? I'm great because if you read from my title, I am going to be unbagging or unboxing the 2019 Beautylish Lucky Bag. And I am so excited. I did take a peek in here. I know what everything is because I wanted to get the prices to see together. Is it worth it to pay for the Beautylish Lucky Bag or not really? But before I begin, I am so excited because I have a giveaway for you guys. So about 3 or 4 months ago, I was sent this shampoo and conditioner called Formulate. Now this is the second time that I'm getting it, so this is about halfway full. And I really like this. What this is it's customized, and actual chemists work on this, and it has so many questions on the profile. You know, what are you looking for in a shampoo and conditioner? Do you like scent? Do you like scent a little bit? Do you like a lot of scent? What types of scent? What are you looking for in the shampoo? Do you have thinning hair? Do you have coarse hair? Do you have split ends? Do you want your hair to be shiny? What are you looking for in a conditioner? And do you have oily hair? Do you have a dry scalp? It asks you so much so that it can really help. The first time I messed up and I said I had dry oily hair because I figured on my roots is oily and on the ends is dry. And when I got it, oh my God, my whole head, because I said it was dry, it was dry. So I let them know and they immediately fixed it and sent me something. And this is what I'm using now. And this is supposed to last about 3 months. Now, I don't wash my hair every day because I have thinning hair. And they also ask you 5 things. What are you mainly concerned about after all of the questions? And I wanted shine in my hair. And if you guys can see, it really does put shine in my hair. It has definitely helped with my split ends. I really like it. So I asked the lady, I emailed her and I said, can I have a giveaway for my subscribers so they can try it out? Because this is $59 together. So it is quite expensive, but you think if it lasts for 3 to 4 months, it is really well worth it. And like I said, I really like it. And she said, absolutely. So if you want chances on try to win this Formulate, I will leave the link down below. It will end February 1st, so you have about a week to enter it. I hope you do because I really like it. I will also leave the website down below if you want to check it out for yourself. So try to enter it because this is really good stuff. All right, so you guys are here for the 2019 Lucky Bag. What this is through Beautylish, and there are 2 options. Well, there were 3 options this year. You could have got a Jeffree Star mystery bag for $75. You can get the extra large bag, which you have to spend $1,000 a year at Beautylish. But it was sold out within 2 minutes, so I couldn't get it. Then you had like a little bit, if you spent, I forget how much it was, that you were able to get the $75 bag is what I got, and you got it before everybody else, and then after a certain time, then everybody can order if there was any left. So that's what that is. Last year was great. I got the $75 one, and I got over $300 worth of stuff. I got a blow dryer that was worth $150. So I was quite excited. I know what's in here, so let's see what's in here, and together we'll see. Is it worth the $75? And this year you had to pay $10 for shipping. So altogether it was $85. And every year it always goes on sale on December 26th. So remember, save your money because the day after Christmas is when these are available. And they do go quick. All right, so I got my paperwork. And let me show you what it looks like when you open her up. So it comes like this, and it's stickered. It's really pretty. And then it comes packaged very well. All right, and so I'll give you a sneak peek. That's what it looks like. All right. So the first thing I see is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Sultry Palette. I am not going to take anything out because in February is my 2-year anniversary on YouTube, and I'm having a huge giveaway. There's going to be at least 2 winners. So this, since I already have this is going to go in the giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed. That's all you have to do for the giveaway. And also for the shampoo and conditioner, you do have to make sure that you are subscribed and like this video. All right, so let's start with this. This is $45. So we're halfway what the box cost. It was $75. All right, the next thing I got is from Becca. This is the Glow and Go. This is in Moonstone, and this would be $20. I'm also going to put this in a giveaway because I also have this as well. So then we have, this was wrapped up pretty good, but I had to take it out of the packaging to see what it was. And this is from a brand I never heard of, from Chlorine. This is a dry shampoo, and it has oat milk in it. So I'm definitely going to try this, and this is worth $20. Okay, so we're past what we paid for the bag, but it's guaranteed to have $150 worth of value. All right. The next thing I was really excited about is this Wayne Goss. This is in the number 13, and this is valued at $53. Now, last year, I think I got the number 17 brush, which was the eye brush, which I love. These are all natural hair, goat hair, and this is what it looks like, and I cannot wait to use this. So this is awesome. And this is a face brush. You can use it for bronzer, blush, contouring, highlight, anything that you want. I love, these are so soft, and I am so excited. All right, so we only have 2 more things. The next thing we got is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Hot Lips, and this is valued at $34, and this is in the shade Super Cindy. I mean, the packaging is gorgeous. It's really, really nice. Let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like. It's like a nude color. Let me swatch it, and it's very, very creamy. I do have a few of these. That is gorgeous. I'll definitely wear that. Love this so much. So I'm really excited about that. And last but not least, everybody got this in their lucky bag. This is an item that's coming soon. So I tried to look this up. I tried to Google it. I looked on Beautylish, and they don't have it yet. So that's exciting that we got a product that nobody else can get yet. And it's supposed to be something like The Ordinary. So these aren't supposed to be very expensive. Is the brand Good Molecules. And what this is a super peptide serum. It says formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. So amen. So I put $10 because if it's supposed to be about the same price as The Ordinary, I thought maybe about $10. And I'm really excited to try that. So altogether, without this, because I don't know the price, everything would value to $172. So it's definitely over the $150 mark that the value is supposed to be, and I paid $75 plus $10 in shipping, so that's $85. And if you add $10, it'd be about $182 because I'm not sure how much this is. So let me show you recap, and then you let me know in the comments down below, do you think this box is worth it? So we got this, which is, I'm excited to try that. We got dry shampoo called Chlorine. I've never tried it before, so I'm definitely excited to try it, but I'm a little wary because I have dark hair, and a lot of times this puts white stuff in my hair, so it's very hard when you have dark hair, but I'll definitely try. You know what? Let me spray it on my hand. Let's see what color. Oh, this will be great because you see it comes clear, not white. Oh, and that smells so good. So I'm excited for that. I'm definitely excited for this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick because it's so creamy and the color's absolutely gorgeous. And that's $34. I love Becca highlighters, and the cream is really nice too. This is more of a travel size than mini size, and it's $20. So this will be nice for somebody to try. But I am so excited. If I didn't have this palette already, oh my God, I would be so excited, the Sultry Palette. And this is going to go to you guys. So make sure that you subscribe so you can get in the shampoo and conditioner giveaway, and you can get next month in my 2-year anniversary. And when I tell you, if you guys are not new to my channel, the giveaways that I have, this one is even better. So like I said, just be subscribed, like this video, and make sure you comment down below. Do you think this is worth it? Would you purchase this if you knew what was in it? Let me know. I don't think it's that bad. It's not as good as it was last year, but I'm not complaining. I'm not knocking it. I really enjoyed it. I would definitely repurchase it. But let me know what you think. All right, guys, don't forget to enter the shampoo and conditioner giveaway. And I will see you guys. Oh, no, with my computer. All right, I've been having problems with it. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.